Greetings from Singapore. Today I'm at the Punggol area, northeast part of Singapore. I'm going to explore this one Punggol hawker center and see which of the stores are worth trying, as well as which store has the most crowd. So let's get started. Today is a weekend, about 6 p.m. Later they have something the Lion Dance about 8 p.m. So I'll upload in my channel and check it out. It's a minjia, you know. Lots of flavor here. Green tea, durian, Mao Shanwang. There's some nice noodles right here. So, what's this? Yankee chicken wings, Punggol branch. The first impression of this hawker center is very big, and I think there are a few hundred stores here. According to my research, there are about 706 and 34 hawker stores, maybe more. So just going around, it's quite clean also. Dark shops here, the drink, another store, I smell another store. Right here is some Indian Muslim food. Tulang merah, mee kuah. And vegetarian fried rice as well. Lots of Indian Muslim food. And look at this, man. More Muslim food right here. The basso and also chicken wing. Some more dance food, 2023. There's some cheesecake right here. Cheesecake brownie, Kingdom brand cheesecake. Oh, it is good. Nonya as well. The name of this is quite special. It's a botak Cantonese porridge. It's a botak. I see the stuff has some hair, man. So, oh, there's a botak. Boiling peanut soup. Since 1947, that's already a long time back ago. You know, the Second World War. Yeah, that's time, man. This chunky leg, quite Hokkien meal, Hokkien prawn noodles, nana one, big prawn, and also it's got the karaoke and fried oyster as well. Only for noodles. Fang Thai food. Wow, look at this, man. So many variety. Pad Thai, Thai mango, king curry. Teppanyaki bento from Japan. And right here, the one bowl last year, set ABC, man. This tray is really big, man. And this side is selling the drinks. Special refreshing in sugarcane, watermelon. So yeah, sugarcane and add the fruits inside, different kind of drink, lychee, longan. This one is carrot juice, orange, watermelon. And this is vegetarian, man. With the mee siam curry rice, laksa, lor mee. Yeah, 真好吃 the fish underneath, sour black beans fish and so on. This is a nice one, 115 Pojak, Western food. If I don't have soju today, probably I'll be eating that, man. Amana hot pot. What a special name, man. The Lei Bo Bo, Hakka, Lei Bo Bo. This is a Yong Tao, man. And soup and the rice. Check this out, man. The Canton pepper rice right here. Wow, look at that, man. A la carte and the set meal. Michelin Guangji. Teochew fish porridge. Not forgetting Singaporean favorite dish, Hainanese chicken rice right here. I'm not sure this store, man. It's Oba Jajang Express. Oba, the Korean restaurant. Look at this, man. It's good to stand here to get some fresh air. You know this area, right? It's actually the community center. The flag on the left is a community club under People Association. The right is Singapore flag. And that track over there is the LRT. Later there'll be more performance today from 6 to 10 p.m. Downstairs, I mean. Seems like another Korean restaurant, Jin Kimchi Express at One Punggol. You cannot really see them cooking though. That's the disadvantage of the hawker center. Some of them is like very discreet, you know. But if you go to Thailand, Cambodia, Vietnam, you can see the streets stand opening, selling the stuff and cooking them in front of you with your very own life. That's one thing I like about going to those countries and trying the street food. By the way, this is the Sogong Yang Tofu. You know, Punggol residents have been waiting a long time for hawker center to be open. Actually, this place opened like I think a few years ago, but it's still very vibrant, and I don't see any foreigners right here. This because the Punggol is located very far from city center. All the people you see now is either Singaporeans or Malaysians, unless they have a helper, you know. The maid, they come from Indonesia, Myanmar, Vietnam, and so on, Philippines.